subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Lenovo-owned Motorola is reportedly gearing up to launch its new flagship smartphone called Motorola Edge Plus. And before the launch, the CAD-based renders of the upcoming phone has surfaced online by a popular leakster on Leaks in partner with Price Baba that shows the complete design of the smartphone. By looking at these leak renders, the first thing we notice is the waterfall display, which makes the sides bezel-less. The other thing we notice is the tiny hole punch on the display, which is located at the top left corner for selfie camera. And the screen is set to support in-display fingerprint sensor. On the back we see a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash and a couple of other sensors. There is also a Motorola logo at the center under the glowing circular ring, which may act as notification indicator. The volume rockers along with the textured power button is visible on the right edge, while the left appears to be bare. The bottom of the phone houses a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM card slot and a Type-C charging port. The 3.5mm headphone jack is present on the top of the device. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 161.1 by 71.3 by 9.5mm. Talking about the specifications, according to previous leaks, the Motorola Edge Plus will feature a 6.67-inch curved display and it will support 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with 8 or 12GB of RAM. On the software front, the smartphone will run on Android 10 out of the box and it will come equipped by 5170 mAh battery with fast charging support. Apart from this, there is no other details of Motorola Edge Plus has leaked so far, and we expect the smartphone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Motorola Edge Plus smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.